Hi, welcome back to Grandma Ray Don't Play, and I'm Rachel. So today I want to show you how to make cheeseburgers in the air fryer oven. This is going to be a light meal tonight, so we're going to be doing cheeseburgers in the air fryer oven. So I'm going to adjust the camera. Let's roll right away, okay? Thanks for hanging around. Alright, here we go. I'm sorry, I gotta adjust it a little more. There we go. Okay, so here I have a pound of hamburger. I already put the seasonings on it. You can put your seasonings on yours. And I made 4 round balls because this is what we're gonna make the patties out of, okay? Alright, so let's take it from here. Okay, so here I have some plastic wrap here. So we're just going to push down on it. And you can make them as flat as you like or plump as you like. Okay? Alright, so let you see that. That's what it's looking like. Okay? So we're going to put that on the rack. I already oiled my rack on both sides with olive oil so that the cleanup is better and they don't stick as much. Okay, so let's do the next one. We're putting it down. We're pushing down with our hand, shaping the sides so that it looks like a burger. Okay, that's number 2. Put that right on the rack. Do the next one. I'm using the plastic wrap because it's easier. I can just throw this out. I don't have to wash it or anything. Here's the 3rd one. And the last one. Okay? Okay, this is the 4th one. Okay, now that we have them all on our rack, okay, watch what I'm going to do. This is my olive oil, okay? So, as you can see, I'm just going to put a drop on each side, okay? Alright, then I'm going to rub that in with my hand on the top, just like that. You say, well, why in the world are you doing that? Because if you don't do that, the hamburgers may stick on the other side. Now I'm turning them over, you see? Now that's the guarantee that that's not going to stick. And let's do this side, because remember, we got to turn them over again, correct? Okay. Wonderful. Let me wash my hands. The container. The olive oil. Okay. So now we have them all made in olive oil on both sides, and they're already seasoned. We're going to put them right in. I'm going to put them on the bottom rack. Okay, and I'm going to start that at temperature 370. Okay, it's already on 370. Now let's go for 10 minutes, and then we'll turn them over. Okay, and I'll be right back to show you what we're going to do with our buns, okay? 1 second. Okay, I want to give you the word of the day while we're waiting. And then I'm going to show you how to process the buns, okay? Alright, the word of the day is stop, stop, stop giving your money to McDonald's, Wendy's, all those fast food places for hamburgers. You know, you're paying a lot of money. My son told me he bought some hamburger, french fries, and another side at Wendy's the other night, and it was $14. The french fries were stale. The hamburger made him sick. It's just a joke, okay? So they're really, really getting over on you. So what I'd like you to do is, of course, if you have an air fryer oven, consider going home and making that. All of probably a half hour, you'll have that done. How long does it take you to drive to McDonald's or Wendy's, wait in the line, okay, to get your food? When you get your food, you got to drive back. It's more than a half hour, okay? And you're getting charged more, and you're only getting enough food for one person, okay? So let's do the math on what I'm doing today. So I bought the hamburger for $3.50. I bought a package of buns. You see it says 99 cents. Okay, 8 came in a package. I'm only using 4, so that's 50 cents worth. So we're up on $4 right now, right? I have some American cheese here that I paid $1.05, okay, and I'm only going to use 4 slices out of this whole pack. So you can see right away that this is a lot cheaper, right? So okay, what was, can't talk. Where were we at? Hamburger $3.50, buns we did 50 cents worth, so that's $4. I'm gonna use 4 slices of cheese. That's about 25 cents because the whole package was $1.05. So $4.25. We're into it, and we can have 4 cheeseburgers. Really? That's a no-brainer. Okay, alright, so I am going to put some butter on the buns. We'll throw another 25 cents in for that. $4.50. Great deal, right? That's the word of the day. Duplicate that, save some money, and eat more healthier. Because you know how fresh your hamburger is, and you know what you put in it, and you know that it will not make you sick. Okay? Alright, so I'm going to adjust the camera to the buns, and I'm going to show you what we're going to do with the buns. And then we're going to add the buns on another rack in the air fryer oven while the hamburgers are cooking. Okay? 1 second, let me adjust it. Okay, so here's our buns. Okay, see that? Alright, so I have 8 of them. I just opened them up and put them on this plate. Okay? And here's some melted butter. Okay? Alright. So I have my pastry brush, and so I'm just gonna brush the butter onto each one. You don't have to saturate it, just enough so it can get a toast on it. I'll show you that when I'm finished. Okay, any spots you missed, you can grab that. If not, we're good. Okay, I think we're good. Alright. I'm all done with this. So you can see I have the butter on the buns, okay? Alright, so now we're going to get another rack. I don't need to put olive oil on this rack because there's bread going on here. So I don't have to worry about it sticking. And we have our off button on our burgers. So now let me open that. And we're going to turn those over, correct? Okay. Okay, so I'm going to pull this out. And we're going to turn them over. Can you see? Okay, let me tilt it. Alright. So they're not done. It's been cooking 10 minutes. We're going to turn them over. They look nice and moist and juicy. Okay, now I'm going to put that back in. And I'm probably not going to be successful with one hand as usual. No, of course not. Let me get another mitt. I tried. A for trying. Okay. There we go. And did you notice the burgers did not stick to the tray? Oh, this is crazy. Great, at last. Okay, let me clean that mess up. Okay, now wash my hand. Okay, so now we're gonna put the buns on the rack. Let's see if we can get all 4 on, I don't know, at one time. I don't know how that's gonna work. We'll find out if that's gonna all go on there. We'll give it a shot. Okay, I have 4 buns on here on the rack. And we're gonna put that in. Okay, it is in. Okay, let's set it 370 again for another 10 minutes. No, I got the buns in there. Let me go 6 minutes. And we'll be back in 6 minutes. Okay, so as you can see, we have 1 minute left. Let's check out our buns. Oh, they're nice and brown. You see that? How about that? Huh? Good job. Okay, and we're gonna let that 1 minute finish, and then we'll check the temperature of the hamburger. Oh, wait, we gotta put our cheese on, so we want to put the cheese on now, because that 1 minute is all we need for the cheese. So I'm putting 1 slice on each hamburger to make them cheeseburgers, right? Okay, we're going to put that back in for that last minute so that they can melt, hopefully. And we'll be back in a minute. Okay, our minute have stopped. Let's take a look at our cheeseburgers. Yummy. Look at that. Huh? How about that? Right from your own kitchen. Okay, let me get the temperature first. Always got to check the temperature. So we're going to slide that right into the middle. See what we come up with. We're at 142 right now. No, we're at 146. I would like that to get up to at least, yeah, we're at 146. So I want to put it back in, and we want that temperature to get up to 155 at least. Okay. Okay, so to our total 20 minutes, I'm adding another 3 minutes. And we'll be right back. Okay, so we have about 2 minutes left on our total of 23 minutes on the hamburgers. Please check out the links below. I have some links to Amazon. See if it's something that you would like, or if it's something that you need from Amazon, anything, hit the link and go on over there and shop. It'll help the bottom line with me. Okay, also please, if you like this video, let me know. Hit the like button, okay, and share the video. If it's your first time on the site, please subscribe. We love for you to join me over here in the YouTube family, okay, because I take pride in serving you. Okay, alright, so we're going to check on the cheeseburgers now. Alright, hopefully we're all done. Let's see. I'm going to adjust the camera. Okay, you see we have the off button. Let's take a look. Okay, we're going to take a temperature so you can see. I'm pushing it up. Better? Okay. We'll put it right in through the middle. The thermometer is moving pretty fast. That's a pretty good sign that it's really hot. I'll just check another one to make sure. Okay, we're over 155, so we are good. Okay? Great. So the cheeseburgers are now done. Okay. Let me put that on a plate and show you. Okay, let's get a view. Here's the 4 cheeseburgers, a total of 23 minutes, including the toasted buns. And here's the toasted buns that cooked for about maybe 10 minutes. Okay? Alright, so you enjoy your cheeseburgers and let me know how you and the kids like that. Okay, until next time, God bless, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.